So my date was short and precise. That's why I'm
wewe kijana wenu disappoint. Hana kitu ya kusema. Amebaki akikula. I would say the winner for the 2 days is my
Loki, all of them done they notice. I'm not joking, all my guys them know me. Since 06 I've been writing this story. I know be OG, but if you ask them know me. I know they blow trees, only know me below me. Music chose me, just know this and know peace. I get lonely, but I'm never lonely. Sexy ladies, come and feel me slowly. Love you seen that way to me leave. I do with the world I'm seeing. We are nobody who Jehovah. And the Lord that they go far.
Yo, it's your girl Utimalik, Mr. Funny than your boyfriend, girlfriend MCM, the girl from the candy shop serving a baby mama's lollipop, and of course, Diana a student before 20 on course in a high grades.
A student. Na mimi hapa kama kawaida Remy girl in the building. Alafu leo tunafanya nini?
In today's episode, tutakuwa hapa date. We are teaching you how to survive with only 200 bob in a date. Ini ya comrade by the way. So hapa tumepiga shopping ya 200 and the judge
200
ni 200 and the judge ni Remy girl. So yeye ndio atarate the experience. So tuko hapa memleta base fit, unajua kijana hajai angusha
hideout.
Kijana a student hajai angusha, so tutakuwa namuuliza maswali tukiconverse on this date.
Okay.
And then baadaye
mimi tayari hapa nishajishindia popcorn, sijui zilikuwa how much because nimeambiwa date ni ya 200
and I'm a bit nervous. Sijui leo, acha tuone.
Mbona nikaribisha ama niza kuona?
Karibu.
Asante.
So nitakuuliza swali ya kwanza. If walls could talk, what relationship advice would they give you?
If walls could talk, what relationship advice could they give me? If they could talk, niolewe nikiwa myanga.
Ukiwa myanga?
I didn't niolewe. I'ma get into a serious relationship in my early age, like nisingoje till later on nianze kutafuta the partner companion wa forever. Yeah, and that's something most people actually are not hawafikiriangi, like after graduating pia mimi niko nervous. Anyway, after graduating most people, like, especially kama ni madem, ufikiria venye wataji-establish, get that career, get nini, and then unapata mtu akishakuwa stable, unaona kama mtu amekuwa stable, anakuwa na doa, anakuwa nini, so it's hard kisha kwa hiyo level anza kutafuta. Okay, according to me, because sasa hiyo utakuwa uko na pesa, hiyo time utapata miduli shapata kamto in the process, na uko na like most feel mwenye nimeona feel like they don't need a man then. But if you finish right now decide to settle na mtu wako and then you start that career journey, then I feel like that would be a good way to go.
So zingekupa your advice.
Zingenipa your advice mimi.
So ya pili, which fictional character would you love to go on a date with?
Character mgani?
Any fictional character, kuna Batman, kuna Superman. Or fictional characters.
Ni Superman.
Yeah. Mbona?
Hebu kula hii kwanza. Nione venye unatafuna kwanza nijue kama una win hii date.
Date name na win.
But these are nice. These are nice. Okay, I would go with Batman.
Sasa unaenda na Batman. Batman. Mbona Batman?
Hello.
Hivyo tu, napenda Batman. What is the sweetest thing you've ever done to impress someone you like?
The sweetest. Ama the weirdest.
The sweetest.
It has to be the sweetest. Because me personally, hufanya very weird things for love. Damn. I've did. Where you're a graduate. I've done so many things, so many weird things. But the sweetest. Okay, I'm not a fan of traveling, like travel na basi. Like no one loves to travel na basi. For a whole kutoka Kisumu to Nairobi just to see them na basi. And I barely use like situmiangi bus most of the time. So nilijitolea hadi nikajilipia hiyo fare
hadi ukajiambia bus.
Hadi nikajiambia sina pesa ya ndege, sina pesa ya flight, but because this person I want them to feel like they are valued, like you get. And they felt good. They felt good, which was a +1 to me though.
So yeah. What is that one thing you wish you could unsee?
I wish I could unsee. That's a tricky one. Kitu nishaiona yenye na wish ningeansee. The only barrier yenye nishaiona, it's weird. The only barrier yenye nishaiona mtu amekufa. That was my first and last time. Nasi wishingi. And then that's nini. I saw an accident. No, I have a real nini. I saw an accident, and then the person was dying, like was choking in their own blood, like. Yeah. So yeah. It was an accident. Guy, it was between Diani and Mombasa, and it was bad. Till today, mimi sitakangi kukumbuka hiyo story. Hata mtu akisema pale kuna accident, I won't dare. Like the day still rings in my head. Hadi nikipanda gari naweza kaa hivi nifikirie mtu, and then it's like it built a fear in me. Ya magari. Hadi nikiwa kwa gari huwa nafikiria hiyo story, and then no. Like I wish hiyo kitu ningeansi.
Yo, it's a boy Diani, no? And this is yet another episode. On my date, namwani nilete mrembo wetu beach. Najua, and again it's in the evening, you know. There must be. Unajua, na leo tumekuja tumechelewa kidogo, tujapatana na sunset. But next time we'll be coming for the sunset and also go for a boat ride we did. So it's just the beginning.
Miguel hapa niko ready kudecide. Tuone kwa kwanza Diani wako na nini hapa. Na naona hapa ameni welcome na fruit. Yaani ameamua a fruit a day, an apple a day.
Keep the doctor away. So health matter. So what are we talking about today? You healthy already, so how do you feel this particular date? How do you feel this date?
Iko sawa? I'm still waiting to see more about you have. Mimi naona kuna biscuit. Sawa, mkiwa interested kuna sawa. Mimi nataka hiyo boat ride.
So guys, next time mrembo ametaka boat ride. So we're working on that. Boat ride.
Nimesikia boat ride.
So next time we'll be going to the see some. But there kulikuwa na highland some few minutes ago, just there. Kulikuwa na small island. I thought if you could be in time, you're there. See some. Unajua sometimes kulikuwa no tide.
Unajua kuswim?
Of course. See, you know how to swim. So on today's questions, what do you want to know about
nakujua kwenda huko. Hiyo ni swali gani? Yaani sana niuliza. What do you want to know about me?
Yangu ni mafans watadecide.
Mimi nimekasirika. Ana kitu ya kusema.
So my date was short and precise.
Ana kitu ya kusema.
That's why I'm
wewe kijana wenu amenidisappoint. Ana kitu ya kusema. Amenipea sijui ameona siko healthy. Amebaki akikula.
kijana wetu alikuwa
2 days. Nilienda na Otimali wa kwanza, nikaenda na BMD no. The first date was nice. It was a bit chilled. Otimali was very composed. Alikuwa anajua kitu anasema. And Ali present the snacks to me, which I liked, apart from the popcorn. They were nice. Yeah. And everything was nice about the date. The second date, ilikuwa tu chaotic in a way. Juu kwanza nilipewa apple. That's a way of like kuniambia I'm not healthy. Or I don't know, maybe I misunderstood the reason behind the apple. Yeah, which I liked here. And the snacks were not presented. Sikujua kenye nililetewa. Sikujua. So for the date, I would say I would give it a 3 out of 10. Honestly, because I didn't aliniacha katikati ya date. He was not composed. He did not know what to say. I had to leave in between the dates, which I don't know. I didn't. Okay, it was a date, but I did not like it, honestly. Yeah, but I enjoyed the food. I would say the winner for the 2 days is my first date.